select this H2 tag, we can see that it is set to 3.56 rem. That means in the similar fashion, the default font size is 16 pixels and 3.56 times of this default font size will be 3.56 into 16 equals to 56.96 pixels. In case of this H3 tag, that will be the same. If we now select this H3 tag, we will be seeing that this font size is set to 2.92 rem. For this H4 tag, it will be a similar one, 2.28 rem. So all those things are different for these different header tags. Now in the other case, if we use a particular P tag over here, a P tag, that means a paragraph tag. So we will be using a paragraph tag. Now we have created this P tag, and inside of it we will be needing some dummy text. Right over here we have pasted a kind of dummy text here. Now if we get back to our project and reload, we will see that this will be the output of usage of P tag. So press F12 again and select this one, and you can see that this font size, this is the P tag, and we can see that it is currently using the same font size as in case of an HTML page. The line height is 1.5. Now in this respect, if we now get back to our project, and here along with this P class, we will be using now this flow text class. So get back to our project, reload, and we can see now that this font size is a little bit of enhanced. So if we check out this change into this code inspector panel, here we can see that this font size, it is now set to 1.68 rem. That means the default font size is 16 pixels, and 1.68 rem times of it means this will be the font size, 16 pixels and 1.68 times. It will be resulting into this 26.88 pixels. So we are practically using a font size of 26.88 pixels with the usage of this particular class of flow text. And we can see that on the other hand that this line spacing, those are now visually enhanced, those are now increased. So everything is now changed in using this particular flow text. Now all we are going to do, we are going to using a block code over here. So we will be getting back to their official website. This is the CSS, and inside this CSS, this is the typography. Let's click on it, and this is the block code that we are practically looking for. So if we now copy this block code from here, and if we paste it over here, and let's make it of here. Just press Ctrl S, get back to your project and reload, and you can see that this is the output right over here. This one morning, starting from this one morning up to this like back, it is now practically lying within this block code. But on the other hand, the class of flow text, it is now practically not working, as we have used another set of block code over here. So if we have to use them, all we need to do, we need to copy them from here and we need to paste them right over here. Get back to your project and reload, and you can see that everything seems to be back again. So we have used this particular block code here and this flow text. Now here into this helper part of this CSS component, we will be seeing that this is the truncation. So all we need to do, we need to check this spell off over here, this h4 class truncate. So if we get back and we say that we have used a class, a paragraph with a class name of truncate right over here. Press Ctrl S, get back to your project and reload, and you can see that some after some words at the beginning, it is now truncated from the end, and it is now showing only those few words those we have chosen in our previous cases. So all those things are practically the truncated condition. If we check on over here, we'll be seeing that this is the class truncate, which is practically following all these properties: this display block, white space, no wrap, overflow hidden, all those things are being used over here. So this is the typography part that we have used. In the next case, we will be now using about this grid specification used in Materialize.